Hello, friends. Nobody is going to tell you about these free tools. There are many free tools which you can use to generate your machine learning models without a single line of code. Yes, you heard me right. You don't have to write a single line of code for this, right? So let's see. Let me go off first. Yeah. So we have a teachable machine, and I have a short video on this also, so you can those who have watched know about it already. So let's get started. Let's see how we can use this. Then we can have a new project. You can go to, you have to create an account here. Okay, you can have a free account. You don't have to pay, you just have to create an account. So you can create a free project, you can see that. And either you can go here, or if it's already there, that's fine. Sorry, I clicked at the wrong place. I'm not used to mouse. Then you just have to click here. It is just telling you that how many pixels of colors and all you have. And let's see. Now you have an option to upload an image, or you can actually just use a webcam. I'm trying to use a webcam. Already it is there. It's already on. So let's see if it can be shared. There was an error, so you cannot share it. Okay, so I'll have to record it some other way. All right, I'll have to 1 minute. Give me a minute. I'll just close this thing. I'll remove my webcam from here, and then I can record. My webcam is there actually, so I just have to remove it. And I have to disable this, so let me disable it. Okay. Mm-hmm. 1 minute.